A simple act of kindness led to a security guard appearing before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday, as a car he reportedly rented on the behalf of an acquaintance was allegedly used in a murder. Roshane Anderson faces charges of conspiracy to murder, accessory before the fact, and accessory after the fact. It is alleged that he rented a Toyota motor car, which was reportedly used to transport four men responsible for a fatal shooting on Orange Street in Kingston on Friday, June 30th. Court documents indicated that upon arriving at Orange Street, one of the passengers exited the car and allegedly shot and killed another man. The assailants fled, prompting a police pursuit and shootout in which two of the men were killed by officers. Subsequent investigations revealed that the vehicle was rented by Anderson. However, during questioning, he claimed to not have known about the vehicle's involvement in a murder. Furthermore, the court learned that Anderson, upon learning of the car's role in the crime, allegedly contacted an agent of the car owner, urging them to report the vehicle as stolen to investigators. During the bail application on Tuesday, Anderson's attorney appealed for leniency. He stated that Anderson had been working as a security guard for 7 years and had no prior convictions. The attorney emphasized his client's reputation for kindness, citing a previous instance in which Anderson had rented a vehicle for an acquaintance without issue. Anderson had not questioned his acquaintance's request to rent the car. It is a kindness without questioning, presiding Judge Laurie Ann Cole-Monteith said. My client looks forward to the day in court when he can prove his innocence, the lawyer said. There is no reason why my client should not be considered as a fit and proper candidate for bail. He is fully aware of the seriousness of the charges, and he will not interfere with the witnesses or impede the course of justice, he went on to say. In addition to granting bail at $400,000, the court ordered Anderson to surrender his travel documents and place a stop order at all ports. He was also required to report to the nearest police station on Tuesdays and Thursdays. However, Anderson could not take up the bail offer until the person with whom he would be staying provided a valid identification cards to authorities. The case file is set to be completed by December 7th, when Anderson is due to return to court. Somehow I remember this case, because I was in traffic going on Slipe Road going down to the wharf, and it was a situation where it's like the guys them drive up on somebody near Serenity funeral parlor or something like that and shot the man. But when them shot the man, guess what? Some police was nearby visiting in the office, and so when they look out and saw them, the guy standing over the man with the gun, they make after them. So they jump into the car and they drive off mad trying to get away from the police, and was heading to Crossroad, right near where the fire station is. A crossroad there. I think it's a Slipe Road, the end of Slipe Road there, so before you turn going to senior school. And the guys them crash into the light post right there, so one come out blazing with gun, and police take him out. The next one run into Boardville, I think Boardville or Villa, some like Villa, there's a name, right at Slipe Road behind the fire station. But it's a place where if you don't know your way in or way out, you can't really go in and out of there. So him run in and him come back out, and him run in and him come back out. And him never know, the St. Thomas I think them come from, them don't know nothing about the area. So him run in, and when him come back out the last time and so on, and the police take him out and so on. I think, if I'm not mistaken, so this now would have been the car that this security guy would have rented and given them. You understand? So he was the one that had rented the vehicle. So now after him find out what happened, he's saying that he never knew they were going to do any crime with it or whatever. But I think it's the same. It's the same thing based on all the evidence stated. I think it's the same incident. So those guys died. Now the owner of the vehicle had rented it to this security guard. Why Jamaica? Not easy at all. Never a dull day.